Good morning. Welcome to Sojourner Vision. This is Russell. It is Saturday. Today is Saturday, so that means it's an active rest day. Active rest day on Saturdays, that means it's ab burner day. So we've been doing ab burner for we're going on 6 weeks, 7 weeks now. I haven't been counting, but it's about that long. And it's typically it's originally a 15-minute ab burner routine with our core routine with 15 1-minute exercises. So I still do 15 exercises, but I reduce the time to 30 seconds at the beginning so that I can manage it. And we've increased to 40 for the last, I think, 3 weeks and maybe 4 weeks. And I'm trying not to get stagnant on that. And even last week, I got a really good workout out of 40 seconds per exercise, but we're moving up to 45 today. So we're gonna move it up to 45 seconds. I've been going up by 10 seconds, meaning I went from 30 to 40. I don't feel like I can go to 50 because I'm getting really good work out of 40 seconds. So I'm gonna go to 45 and see if we can trickle her on up to a minute. So we're gonna try to get back up to a minute on it. So here we go. It's Saturday morning. Let's get some exercising done, some longevity training so we can meet age with grace, folks, and get our Saturday on the road. So let's do this. Let's hit it. Let's do the ab burner. All right, so that's got Saturday in the books. She's done. So Saturday is our active rest day, and we did the ab burner routine, and we increased 5 seconds per move, and we went to 45 seconds. How was that? The 45 seconds, definitely, I could tell the 45 seconds. There were a couple of other moves, like typically when I was down at the lower times, 30 and 40, the lower lift, you know, feet in the air and you're pulling your hips off the ground, and the knee circles are the main two that would get me. This time, right after knee circles, there's the 100 where you're holding your feet up in the air. You're basically patting your hands up and down, you know, on your side. And that one there, I could feel it. Tick-Tock side roll, which you would think would be very low intensity, but because my abs were already tired and I was focused on using my abs to turn my hips, I think it was two things. Number one, how I set the intensity of the workout, meaning for each move, I really tried to get as much out of the ab work as I could. And number two, the extra 5 seconds did make a difference. So, but I was able to finish it. I mean, there were a few brief moments in between moves where I thought maybe I should take a little 5-second breather, but I pushed through. So it was good. It was good. That workout's good. It's good for me. I mean, even now my abs are tighter than when I came in. So they're good for the abs. I like it. I like it. So whatever they're called, Pilates, anything, I don't care what they're called, but that ab workout there is pretty good for me. I like it. So anyway, went on a walk, slight breeze, but it's a little chilly because I think it never did warm up. I don't think it ever got in the 60s yesterday, so it never warmed up in here. So I was kind of chilly in here. And actually I put my gloves on for the walk and that warmed my hands up. They feel a lot better now. They were chilly even during the workout. So anyway, the walk was good, same distance. It was a pretty casual walk. Somehow I started out at an 8-minute half mile pace, so 16-minute mile pace. A little over 16 minutes actually, which is pretty slow for me. And once you start, I don't know, with me, once I start that pace, I really have to push hard to make my pace increase, you know, and where I'm able to hold it naturally. Once I start at a certain pace, trying to push it beyond that afterwards, it just feels like I feel like I'm going faster than I've ever gone before, but you're really going really slow. And I'm not sure that's what causes that, but anyway, it's best to start at, if you want a good pace, it's best for me, it's best to start out at that pace and not start slow and try to build up. Doesn't work out for me. So anyway, better let y'all go. It's a good Saturday, time to get our weekend going, and nice to be done. Next week is our rest week, but I'll be active. I'll be out here doing things, stretching, cardio routines, those kind of things. I call it week 0. So week 0 is no weights, and we do basically just like I said, cardio and stretching. That's it. So we'll see what we can incorporate next week. That looks like fun, and get through that, and then we'll start 2026 C2, 2026 cycle 2. So here we go. We'll let you guys go. You guys get some longevity training in so you can meet age with grace, folks. We'll see you next week for our week 0. Take care. See ya.